Stop, man. May I talk to you, Bamba Clot? Stop. Wagwan, all the things are gone. Now let me ask you a question, youth, aka Gen Zs. When was the last time, man, you see your senator, your governor, and your MP? From 2022, have you seen them again? It's only now that they're coming back again to come on. These are parasites, man, Bamba Clots. You've just selected parasites on all the seats, including the small parasites called the MCAs. What's going with you people? You want change everything, man, from ground up. You know, you see them in televisions and all of them. They feel they're better than you, and you are the one that make that ghost. You are the one that created that man that think he's better than you. You voted for him. He came begging, kneeling down. Please, 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 Wagwan, help me out, man. Hey, man, help me out. You give the man a position, and you give the man a chance, an opportunity. And this is Wagwan. When was the last time you have seen your governor and your senator come to your door, knock your door, and ask you, Wagwan, what the problem is, if we can help you? They don't care about you and me, man. They are the same old people. So all of them tawe, forget all of them. Forget, get rid of all of them. All of them are Bamba Clots. They are not worth nothing. Get new people. Get young people, actually. Why don't you just select yourselves, the Gen Zs? Elect young people. Why you do with them all old people and, you know, our time is up. Our time is over. It's your time now. Our time is finished. We've let you down, man. We've let you down, Gen Zs. We've totally let you down. Our time is gone. Now it's your time. Use it properly and get rid of all of them parasites and Bamba Clot, dibby, rascalots. Chase them out. Peace.